How to know if someone blocked you on Telegram. So, a strong indication that this person has blocked you is that if you see this last seen a long time ago text below their name. And I am sure of this information since I asked this person to block me on Telegram. So, to compare it to other accounts, for instance, this account, it states the specific date and time. Also, for this account, it states the specific date and time. So going back to this account, so another indication could be their profile avatar. So if their avatar is no longer visible to you, it could be that that person has blocked you. Though this is not reliable, as sometimes it could be that they have restricted their profile avatar. So the only reliable way of knowing if that person has blocked you is if you see this last seen a long time ago text. And so that is how to know if someone blocked you on Telegram. Thank you and have a great day.